Hi everybody, my name is Leti and I'm with the Denver Public Library. In this video, we're going to do an activity based on the book Dragons in a Bag by Zeta Elliott. Did you get a chance to read the book? Good. If you haven't read it, you can check it out by going to denverlibrary.org and picking it up by curbside parking. Or you can download the book through Overdrive. So go ahead, read the book. Also, did you watch the video by Callie where she does an introduction reading on the book? Good. If you haven't, watch Callie's video. She really gets you excited about reading the book. And also, did you watch the video by Gina? Yeah, Gina discusses some of the topics on the book. So I recommend you see her video also because she really gets you thinking. Good. Well, I want to talk about and do an activity based on two creatures discussed in the book: dinosaurs and dragons. Do you know what a dinosaur is? Good. Well, I don't know a lot about dinosaurs and dragons, so I had to get some books and read up on what they are. And I also asked a lot of questions. So, what do you know about dinosaurs? Yeah, well, dinosaurs are real creatures that existed millions of years ago. Isn't that interesting? Millions of years ago, they existed. They don't exist anymore. But if you go to a museum of natural history, you could see their skeletons. That's really interesting. Now, when dinosaurs existed, they were reptiles. What does reptiles mean? Well, reptiles means that they were creatures with dry, scaly skin. Does that sound like a dinosaur to you? Yeah. What else about dinosaurs? Well, dinosaurs were huge creatures, very big. They were about 50 times bigger than you or me. That's pretty big. And they had huge tails. And some dinosaurs could even fly. Isn't that fun about dinosaurs? Okay, well, now let's discuss dragons. What do you know about dragons? Good. Well, dragons, they are creatures that never existed. Yeah, dragons don't exist, and they never did exist. They are fable creatures. That means that we made them up. And we made them up because dragons are fun to imagine, aren't they? Yeah, they are fun to imagine. Well, what can you tell me about dragons? Yeah, dragons were also huge creatures, just like dinosaurs. But dragons could breathe out fire. Oh no! They could breathe out fire. Good thing that dragons are only made up, isn't it? So, we know that both dinosaurs and dragons are huge creatures. What else do they have in common? They both have big tails and they're both reptiles. And we discussed what reptiles mean. That means that they have dry, scaly skins. So, now that we have discussed dinosaurs and dragons, do you think if I showed you a picture, you'd be able to tell me if it is a dinosaur of a dragon? I bet you can. You want to give it a try? Good. So do I. Okay, ready? I bet you're good at this. Here we go. Is this a dinosaur or a dragon? Good. You got it right. This is a dinosaur. Actually, the name of this type of dinosaur is what? That's right. This is a T-Rex dinosaur. Good job on that one. You ready for another one? Good. Is this a dinosaur? Or is it a dragon? Good. You got it right. This is a dragon. Do you see? It's breathing out fire. Good job. You ready for another one? Okay, here we go. Is this a dinosaur? Or is this a dragon? I'm going to have to think about this a little bit. Good job. This is a dinosaur. Do you know the name of this type of dinosaur? Yeah, you got it right. This is a pterodactyl dinosaur. Hey, this is fun, and you're doing a really good job. Ready for another one? Here we go. Is this a dinosaur? Or is it a dragon? That's right. It's a dragon. Great job. You want to do another one? Okay, now This one's going to be a little bit more tricky. So you're really going to have to think about this one, okay? Because this one is a trick question. Is this a dinosaur? Is it a dragon? Or is it some type of other creature? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. That's right. This is not a dinosaur, and it sure isn't a dragon. It's a real live animal. Yeah, it's an iguana. I couldn't trick you. You got it right. Okay, let's do a couple more. Now, let's see if you recognize this one. Put your thinking caps on. Is this a dinosaur? Or is this a dragon? That's right. It's a dragon. Hey! Do you recognize this dragon? That's right. Do you know the name of this dragon? Think about it. Yeah, this is Toothless the dragon. That's Toothless the dragon. So I'm going to show you one more photo, and maybe you can remember a little better about Toothless the dragon. Here's Toothless again. Do you know what movie Toothless came out of? That's right. The movie is How to Train Your Dragon. I like that movie. Did you have fun? I sure had fun. I really enjoyed looking at those photos with you and determining what kind of creature we were looking at. I hope you enjoyed it also. So, until we get together again, you just keep reading. Bye.